Let's go. You're a bad kitty. You're a bad kitty. Yeah. There we go. There we go. It's a hell of an e-brake right there. Whoa, proofs. Alright, so we'll take this to the other shop, we'll load it in Square Force, we'll load all the merch in Square Force, and then essentially we're ready for LS Fest.
Yeah, might give it a bath. Square Force.
Square Force needs a bath.
Before we leave.
Yeah.
If we have time.
Yeah. It's probably not gonna happen, but it needs it. Alright, we made it. Back at the other shop. C10 is hard parked. Toter home is chilling. And, today's goal is to completely pack Square Force 1. Yes, I still have it. For LS Fest, because basically between now and LS Fest, I think we have 3 days to work on Death Metal Charger for a roadkill shoot and 3 days to work on the rubber duck for a roadkill shoot. Yeah, something like that. So we need to pack so that we're all done. And we also need to drag out the drag week trailer way back there. We need to get that out. And we need to find a pair of wheels to race on for Rocky Mountain Race Week for the rubber duck. A lot going on today.
It's hot.
It is hot.
Damn.
What's up with the air conditioning in this place? Look at that. It's there. I see it. It looks small. I don't think it's doing anything, though.
And it doesn't work.
I have to call the landlord. It's like, what's up, buddy? We roll this pig out and fill it up?
Yeah.
Is there anything in it? I think it's empty.
Empty. She's bone dry empty.
Oh, it is empty. You know why? Because we cleaned it out for the guy that allegedly was buying it, and then he showed up here and no money. It was weird. It's very awkward. So, yeah. Still have it. Let's load it up. Dude, bourbon is sweating horsepower. A little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there. You ever had a vehicle that just leaked out of every orifice? That's my 66 Suburban. Just everywhere. Front seal, rear seal, transmission, rear end, everything leaks. It's alright though. It's all good. This thing's rowdy. So close.
Oh, I was watching. Freaking amateur. See my nimble skills when I got pulled out.
12-volt Dave was about to become bodywork Dave.
Shut up.
Unplug the flux capacitors. Thank you. Oh, this thing wasn't even plugged in. Nothing was plugged in. What we got going on here? Our program. Program's a mess. Yeah. Just put that there right now. I bet she still fires right up. I can tell Noobski was the last one to drive this because the seat is way too close to the steering wheel. There we go. There we go. That's how I know you were the last one to drive it. Come on, darling. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Dude, hers. Even the clock works. I do love Square Force. It just takes up so much space. Man, large and in charge. All right, let's get up out of here. Dude, look at that. Just straight ground. This thing's so low to the ground that if you put the locks on the wrong direction, you could pretty much drag them right off. So it's important, it's key that these locks face this way, not that way. That would be bad.
You know how long it's been since we've taken a road trip in this?
I don't remember the last one.
I don't either.
Oh, Rocky Mountain Race Week.
Oh.
We don't talk about that though.
No. Damn it.
You brought it up. That's what happened the last time. You brought up, like, you know, I said, hey, we've talked about it. It happened. It's over with. I'm never bringing it up again. But like recently, you brought it up.
No, because you're like, what's like one of the worst mistakes you've made or something you along those lines? I was like, Rocky Mountain Race Week. And you're like, oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I did. I said, like, what's the worst screw up you've ever had in your life? And I wasn't thinking about Rocky Mountain Race Week because if you know me, I have a horrible memory. And once bad shit happens, okay, it's behind me. I don't think about it. And you're like, well, Rocky Mountain Race Week. And I was like, oh, yeah, that was bad. But you brought that up. That wasn't me.
I'll never forget it.
R.I.P. Hemi. That Hemi is still trash. We're getting close though. My buddy Pete has got a new Keith Black block. My buddy Brian over at CP Pistons getting the pistons and rods going.
I'm here with the beginnings of Mike Finnegan's new Hemi for Blasphemi. Last time, I think he liked to challenge or test our engine building abilities by giving us a bunch of crap parts to start with. But this time, he's changed up and we got some good stuff. So here's his new block. It's super nice, brand new. Got all kinds of ribs and contusions on it to improve the performance and whatnot. Great big cam tunnel. That'll help things a lot. It's a real nice piece for sure. Much better. The one we had before was just been repaired a bunch, and some of the repairs were kind of substandard. Then we got a brand new Callie's forged crankshaft here. Also super nice. Hopefully in a few days we'll have some rods and pistons and we can kind of carry on. But right now we got a much better start, so kind of looking forward to it.
I don't think it happens this year, but next year, Blasphemi will be back. I don't know what we'll be doing, but I think we'll be going quicker than we ever have. Let's stop this video real quick. And I need to ask you one more time, can you hit the subscribe button for me? You probably forgot to do it. I know you want to. Right now, please. Thank you. On with the show.
See how far it'll go.
Oh yeah, nice, looking nice. Is it all the way in?
You're way in. You're 3 foot in.
Let me back up some then.
Come on back. Come on back.
Solid.
That's the first time we've ever put a car in here and never touched the steering wheel.
I know.
It's like it wanted to go.
Killer alignment on this thing. All right, I'll strap the front. Put up the merch and she's good to go. LS Fest East, we're coming. Dude, there's the Redbeard Special. Just waiting for its turn. Need some brake parts. Right now we can't really drive it because the left side wheels, the brakes lock up like every time you pull the handle. So then you're basically going in circles when you're on the water. So we need to get that ironed out and then put the outboard on the back and then try to go set some records on the lake. Maybe get some of the water out of it. Redbeard did such a good job of like making this thing waterproof that when it rains on it, when it was outside, none of the water drained out. Works too good. All right, let me get the VIN number off this piece so that the Argo folks know which year, make, model we have. Made in Canada. Boom, got it. Now we can call the folks at Argo and be like, yo, send me some brake parts. All right, quick shop walk around. Those are the slicks that we ran on the rubber duck when we raced Freiburger. That's Wifey's whip. It's been chilling ever since it allegedly did burnouts with a jet ski trailer. Obviously that's Blasphemi. Waiting on parts to fix the Hemi. This is not ours. This is a LS7 and Gearstar trans combo that came out of an old project that I think is going to get repurposed on an episode of Fast with Finnegan. There's the Mopar 383 that came out of death metal before we 2J swapped it. This is a Richard Holdner Junkyard Special. I don't know what we're going to do with it. There's a hovercraft that tried to deck me. Tried really hard, but I'm strong. I made it. Still alive. Still staring at you, hovercraft. One day again, we'll dance. That's a go-kart from the 50s that my wife's grandfather built, brand new. That Newbern and I got it running again and then broke the pull start off of it. Like 235, yeah. That's the motor out of the Renegade that kicked the rods out both sides of the block. That stuck a connecting rod in the side of the block. Like, look at that. That thing's in there. That thing looks like it had the moon tune in it. It didn't, but it looks like it. I go to LS Fest East with a grip of merch. Oh, yeah.
That's a good looking shirt.
Yeah, it is. And we'll have C10 shirts this time, too.
Why don't we just bring all the shirts? Why don't we just let people just buy what the hell ever they want? We have Blasphemi. We have black FSM, blue FSM. We have everything. We'll just let them pick.
All right, dude. Equal opportunity. I love it. All right.
I shouldn't have said anything.
All the merch. We're loading it. Let's do this. All right. Back in, plugged up. Other than reorganizing the merch and stuffing that in there, we're pretty good. Could use a bath. Get the bug cuts off. Let's go work on death metal.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna